So start by getting some of that brown packing paper that they use for shipping. The nice stuff about this is it's easy to come by and it's free. You just want to wrap your package like you would with any other normal wrapping paper. Cut off the edges and wrap the edges as well. Just wrap the entire box with the brown paper. And then you'll need some ribbon. You can use regular ribbon or raffia, or I'm using paper twist because I think it gives it kind of a rustic look and it's pretty cheap. I cut it down to size and wrap the package with it just like you would any other ribbon. And I even did a bow with the paper twist. So basically, so far you're wrapping it just like you would with any other wrapping paper, except that it's brown paper and paper ribbon. So here's a couple packages. Now for the fun part, get yourself some stamps. I'm using a gnome here. And you just want to put that on your package. The reason I always wrap the packages first is so that I can put the stamps exactly where I want them on the package. So in this case, I'm putting them in between where the ribbons are. You can also use ink markers so that you can do different colored stamps. I just used red here, but you could do Santa's beard in white and then the rest of them in red if you wanted to get really creative. I just kept it kind of simple, but again, the reason I wrap the packages first is because then I can see where the ribbon is going to sit, and then I can put the stamps exactly where I want them. As an alternative, you could just stamp the paper before you wrap the package, but then you don't get to control where it sits. I like to match my stamps to the person that I'm giving the gift to. It kind of gives it a personal touch for them. So it's kind of a fun, low-cost, eco-friendly wrapping paper.